Hello. Mm. So guys, egg curry. So good people, welcome and welcome back to this amazing channel, Rabbit Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, amazing videos on travel and events. So if at all you are new in this channel, please consider viewing my videos, give them a like, make sure you share it out with your friends in other social networks, and also press onto that ring bell so that whenever I post in a video, you will be among the first people to see my videos. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. Stay tuned in there. So my people, today I'm back with this recipe. I'm going to do creamy vegetable pasta. And then I'm going to serve it with the egg curry. So guys, I know there's so many ways of doing creamy pasta, but this time we're going to do a creamy one. And the creamy pasta, you can serve it with any kind of stew, but for me, or in this video, we are going to do it with egg curry. So kindly watch this video until the end. Yes, that I'm going to use, I have this one packet of pasta. I have yogurt to make it creamy, and then I have red onions diced here. I have coriander, I have ginger and so garlic. Here I've also blended my three small size tomatoes. So you blend first for the paste. Then here I have my paprika, I have curry powder. I'm going to start by cooking my macaroni, my pasta. So after placing my pan, I'll start by adding some cooking oil here. Then my diced onions, make sure you stir them until they become translucent. Then add tomato paste, make sure you stir well again. Then pour in your blended tomatoes. Give it a good stir again. Then garlic powder, tumeric, stir. Then give it time now to cook, for all the spices to cook well. Let's just look at this, see how thick it is. Look at the texture, guys. So we're going to give it time at least for both the spices and everything to cook in well. Then you can just add little water step by step. So guys, at this point now you can add some yogurt to make it creamy. Just the way I'm doing. So if you have sour cream, the best. But so far I didn't have sour cream, I've just used yogurt. So give it a good stir until everything mixes in well.
So guys, my paste is a bit heavy now. I can add in my pasta now. So give it a good stir as well. So you add little water as you stir. Now then our green peas. The green peas will make our pasta taste so nice, guys. I'll cover it and let it cook for a while. Look at this. So you keep changing or turning it. So guys, my pasta is done, and now I'm just going to prepare my curry. Start just by boiling these eggs first. I'll boil them for about 15 minutes. And guys, when you're boiling these eggs, make sure you don't overdo it, because once you overdo it, it will turn grayish. The yolk will turn grayish, and now it won't be nice as you expect it. So kindly set your heat and make sure you boil these eggs for about 15 minutes. Stay tuned. 15 minutes. So I'll just cover it and let it cook. So stay tuned. My eggs are done, and now I'm just going to take them out. So guys, I'll unwrap them and remove this part so that I can now make my curry. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to start by frying my boiled eggs first. So I'll place some little oil here. So stay tuned. Some cumin, tumeric, then give it a stir. Then I'm adding some my so I'll just cover it a bit and let them cook. Stay tuned. So I'll fry my onions. My blended tomatoes. So guys, this is just to make a paste, a good paste for the eggs. Stay tuned. Guys, look at my paste. So what I'm going to do, I'll just cover it and let it cook for a bit. To fry them until they brown up. So guys, you can see them. So next, my paste, guys. To add in spices. And then give it a stir. To taste, give it a stir as well. It cooks, so stay tuned. So guys, my paste is done, and now I'm just going to add my egg, and then I'll mix up everything. Just cover it and give it about 10 minutes and it will be done. So stay tuned. So guys, you can look at my egg curry. So tasty, guys. My curry is done.
pasta is ready, and I'm now just going to serve it. This video thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on another video.